And once the camera locks behind your character and follows every movement smoothly, shift lock is working exactly as intended. While this feature is extremely useful for aiming and movement, console players face a few limitations compared to PC users. In Roblox, shift lock is a camera control feature that locks the camera directly behind your character, giving you better control and a stable viewing angle. However, on PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4, there is no dedicated button to map shift lock like there is on PC with the keyboard's shift key. This is because Roblox was originally designed for keyboard-based controls, and console controllers have limited button options. To use shift lock on PlayStation, you'll need to enable it from the in-game settings. Start by opening any Roblox game on your console. Press the Options button on PS5 or the Share button on PS4 to open the in-game menu. Navigate to the Settings section, then look for Camera or Input Settings. Find the Shift Lock option and toggle it on. Once enabled, you can activate Shift Lock in-game by pressing the left analog stick on your controller. Press it again to turn Shift Lock off. If it doesn't work right away, make sure your controller is properly connected. Confirm the game supports Shift Lock and restart the game if needed.